Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to see the next topic from Unit 4, that is degradation model. So before going to see in detail, first we can see what are the things we are going to see in this session. So in this session we are going to see the definition of degradation model, about degradation model, use, need of degradation model, highlights of degradation model, and application of degradation model. So first we can see the definition of degradation model. So saying about this model, it describes the various degradations happened in the image. So degradations means that is quality deterioration. So with the help of this degradation operator and noise function, the degradation model is frameworked. So f of x, here f of x comma y is the input image, and g of x comma y, that is the degraded output. So to see about degradations, what are the degradations happened in the images. So saying about degradations, it is occurred due to motion blur, different interferences of noises, camera misfocus. So like this, due to various reasons, the quality of the image is degraded. So identify the degradations, or to identify the degradations we are using this degradation model. So actually this degradation model is formed in 1964 by Hufnagel and Stanley. It is a mathematical or probabilistic model to predict the degradation. So initially it focuses on the physical characteristics of the atmospheric turbulence. Mathematically, the degradation function is given as h of u comma v, where k that depends on the nature of the turbulence. Here what we are referring the turbulence. Turbulence means fluctuation or frequent changes in environmental condition. So due to this environmental condition, changes in environment condition, certain changes in environment condition, the quality of the picture is degraded. So to identify this degradation model is helpful. So initially for that purpose this model is designed. So saying about this turbulence, the turbulence may be severe turbulence or mild or low turbulence. So the turbulence affects the quality of the captured images. So because depends upon the sudden changes, the quality of the image is defined. So if the turbulence is low, the quality of the picture is high. If the turbulence is high, the quality of the picture is low. So this is a relation between the turbulence and the degradation. So use of degradation model. Saying about degradation model is useful to recover the original image which is subjected to degradation. So that is for image restoration, the degradation model is used. So highlights of this degradation model, it provides insight into the image restoration problem. So while restoring the original image, so what are the problems happening? What are the degradations happen? It is given by this degradation model. It expresses the environmental conditions that cause degradation in the images with the help of the degradation function and noise function. With the help of this degradation function and noise function, the model describes the degradation in the image. So, saying the application of degradation model, image restoration is the inverse process of degradation model. Hence, the restoration filter is designed with the help of this degradation model. So that is, restoration is inverse process of degradation. So if you know what are the degradations, then we can create a filter and we can remove the degradation. So if the degradations are removed, the original image will we can recover, we can restore the original image. So this is the application of degradation model. So I think we have seen a detailed description of what is degradation model. To refer, we can have the following textbooks and reference books. And further, if you have any doubts, you can contact my WhatsApp number, that is 9710260926. Thank you.